Our lesson for today is very interesting. It's the second lesson in
I like
topic
it.
9. Okay, right. Okay, Riyad. The lesson is Decompose Fractions. And what we're going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. As you can see here, for these questions, decompose each fraction or mixed number in two different ways. Use drawing or fraction strips as needed. Okay. As you can see, my heroes, these are the questions that we are going to solve today. To start, everyone, please open your books page. And please, my heroes, tell me the number of this page.
472.
472.
Yes, my heroes, 472. Now, my heroes, I will play a video. Please focus with the video.
How can you represent a fraction in a variety of ways? Charlene wants to leave 1/6 of her garden empty. What are some different ways Charlene can plant the rest of her garden?
There's more than one answer to this question.
Into how many equal parts is the garden divided? The garden is divided into 6 equal parts. What is the name of each part? Each part is named 1/6. How much of the garden will be planted?
Abdullah Mubarak.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, can you answer this question? Quickly, my hero.
Mr. You know me. Donkey.
What?
You know me. I am donkey.
I don't understand this. What do you mean? Focus, Abdullah. Mute your mic. And I will ask you again. Focus, please.
Okay.
The question is, how much of the garden will be planted? Of course, my heroes, as you can see, 5/6 is planted. It's written. The answer is written.
5/6 of the garden will be planted. Decompose means to break into parts. Compose means to combine parts. The fraction of the garden that Charlene will plant can be decomposed in more than one way. One way. Charlene could plant 4 1/6 sections with blue flowers and 1 1/6 section with red peppers. What do 4/6 and 1/6 represent?
Thamir? Thamir?
Yes.
Okay, answer. Quickly, Thamir.
4/6.
Yes, 4/6 represents
1/6.
what? What's this? What do 4/6 represent?
Mister, I don't hear you very well.
Okay. I don't know, Thamir, why don't you hear me? I'm
Don't
speaking here. So,
Mr.
my heroes...
Can I answer?
No, Malik, thank you. Do not use your mics without permission. You know the rules. So 4/6 is the number the planted with flowers.
4/6 represents the fraction of the garden that is planted with blue flowers. And 1/6 represents the fraction of the garden that is planted with red peppers. What does the sum 5/6 represent? 5/6 is the fraction of the entire garden that is planted. How can you show this in an addition equation?
Okay, I will do this. And Abdullah Mubarak. Abdullah Mubarak. Abdullah, please answer me. Okay, Thamer.
Yes, mister.
Okay, Thamer, I will click each of these fractions, and before I click it, try to tell me what is this fraction. 5/6 represents what? The 5/6, according to the question, the problem that we are solving. This is the total planted area, the planted area.
5 of the 6 sections are filled.
And what is 4/6? The area planted with? 4/6 planted with 4 out of 6 planted with flowers.
4 of the 5 filled sections are blue flowers.
And what is the 1/6?
It is the
red pepper.
1 of the 5 filled sections is red peppers.
Okay, thank you, Thamer.
The addition equation 5/6 equals 4/6 plus 1/6 shows this way to plant the garden. Another way. Charlene could plant 1/1/6 section with green beans, 1/1/6 section with yellow squash, 1/1/6 section with red peppers, and 2/1/6 sections with blue flowers.
Okay, let's do this again, my heroes. Of course, 5/6 is?
5 of the 6 sections are filled.
Now I'll click each of the fractions that we have here. The first one, the green one.
1 of the 5 filled sections is green beans.
And this yellow one.
1 of the 5 filled sections is yellow squash.
And the red.
1 of the 5 filled sections is red peppers.
And the blue.
2 of the 5 filled sections are blue flowers.
So, as you can see here, we can also write an equation to represent what we did with the fraction 5/6, how to decompose it.
Does 4/6 plus 1/6 equal 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 2/6? How do you know?
Okay, this time the question is for all of you. If you have the answer, say your name. If you can explain.
Muhammad Ra'ad.
Okay, Abdurrahman and Muhammad. Ali, okay. Who else? Okay. Who else? Okay, let's start with Abdurrahman.
Muhammad al-Humaydan.
Okay, Muhammad. Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what's your answer? Yes or no? The two of them are equal?
Equivalent.
Yes, they are equal. Okay. Why? Yes?
Because of the quotient. 5/6 and here 5/6.
Yes, because each of them represents 5/6. Wow, I like your answer. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Great work.
Yes, because both expressions are equal to 5/6. 4/6 plus 1/6 equals 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 2/6. Now you know how to represent a fraction in a variety of ways.
Okay, my heroes, back to the book and move to the next page. And before we start, I want to remind you about something. Please focus with me, my heroes. I want to remind you about something. Do you remember this number? Can anyone read this number?
Yes, teacher, me, Abdurrahman.
Okay, Abdurrahman, you answered before. I want someone else. Who else?
Muhammad Raj.
Okay, Muhammad Ra'id. How many fourths is in this? Okay, read it first. How can we read this number? Muhammad Ra'id.
First four.
It's equal to 5/4. Excellent. And how can we read this number? We read it 1 and 1/4. That's how we read it. And this number, my heroes, is an example of mixed numbers. The mixed numbers contains numbers, whole numbers, and fractions. So when you see a number next to a fraction, so this is mixed number, and that's how we deal with it. Okay, let's go ahead, my heroes. Decompose each fraction or mixed number in two different ways. Use drawings or fractions strips as needed.
Teacher, I want to ask a question.
Yes, Abdurrahman, ask.
How can I make addition with to get one?
Okay, because the whole one is 4/4. We answered that
Yeah.
yesterday. It's
Oh,
4/4, and we have another 1/4, so they are 5/4. Okay. Okay, my heroes, let's go ahead to the next question. Sorry, the question number 3. And I need someone to help me. Khalifa, can you help me? Khalifa?
Yes, mister.
Do you remember what we did yesterday when we added fractions?
Yeah.
We will do the opposite today. We will decompose it. Decompose means the opposite of addition, something like break it into parts. So let's break 3/5. We're sure that the denominator will be fifths also. It will be 5 because the parts will be fifths also, right?
Yes.
Okay, so just break the 3. It can be break to be
2 plus 1.
excellent. So 2/5 plus 1/5. Okay, we need to do this again another time, but this time we need to fill the 3 spaces here. Can you tell me what to write in each one?
And then we put 3 5s.
3/5, break it, yes. The first one.
And
We agreed that the denominator is the same, right?
yes.
So I will write 5 in each denominator. Now, break the 3 into
1 plus 1 plus
Yes,
1.
that's it. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So, it's a fifth plus fifth plus fifth. Thank you, Khalifa.
Mister, how question 4 like this? That showed the same.
We didn't solve question number 4 yet. We will solve it now. Okay, my heroes, we move now to the next question. Muhammad Yahya.
Yes, mister.
Okay, Muhammad, in question number 4, we have mixed number. So, to deal with this number, we need to understand first what is this number. Can you tell me this
3 out of 4.
1 and 3/4 equivalent to how many fourths?
Equivalent to 4/4.
The 1 is 4/4. The 1 is 4/4. And the 3/4 here. So the total is
The total is
7/4. So that's what we need to do, my heroes. We can write here 4/4. I will erase this.
And 3/4.
I'll erase all this because I will repeat it again. 4/4 and 3/4. Okay, do it another way. Now it's 7/4 in all. You can break the 7 any other way.
2/4 and 5/4.
Excellent. Thank you, my hero. I like your answer. Great work, Muhammad. Of course, my heroes, you can do it any other way. You can do it 1/4 plus 6/4, for example. You can make it what else? I don't think you have any other answers. But now you know how to decompose fractions. Any problems? Any questions? Now, my heroes, I will raise this and I will move down. These all questions are the same. So, we will start with question number 5. It's the same question like the previous question. Ali Isa,
Yes, mister.
go ahead. 4 sectors. Decompose it.
With maybe
Yes, yes.
2
2 sectors plus
plus 1.
1. 2 plus 1. Oh, 2 plus 1 is not 4.
3, mister.
2 plus 3 is not 4.
What? 2 plus 2.
So 2 sectors and 2 sectors. Now do it again, but break it into 3 fractions. You can use 1/6.
1 6 and 2
2
6
sectors.
and 2 6.
Now,
and
now
1
wait,
6.
wait. Yes, okay. So this is great. Thank you, my hero. That's it. Any problems, my heroes? Danielle?
Mr. Can I answer after Daniel?
My hero, you know that you cannot ask me this question.
Okay.
Daniel? Ibrahim Jalala?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead, my hero.
Go ahead.
Let's answer question number 6. 7/8, break it, decompose it.
3
3 what? 3/8. And
8 and 4.
plus 4/8. Excellent. Now decompose it into 3 fractions.
3 2
Okay, to what? Eighths.
eighths
Okay. Okay.
plus 1
1/8. Okay. Plus.
plus 4 eighths.
Yes, these forms 7/8. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Muhammad Hisham. Muhammad Hisham. Jad. Jad.
Yes.
Okay, Jad, go ahead.
Yes.
This is mixed number.
5
5/5 for the whole one. Okay. And
3
3/5. Not 3. 3/5.
5
So 5/5 plus 3/5. So it forms how many fifths in all?
10
3 plus 5. 8. Right? Let's break the 8 into 3 fractions. The 8/5 into 3 fractions. Go ahead.
2
2 or 2/5.
2
2 or 2/5.
fifths.
2/5, yes. And 2/5 again. Okay.
Yes.
And
2
again
4 5
4/5, not 5. Fifth. 4/5. Okay, thank you, Jed. Good work. Maitham. Maitham.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
Oh my God.
The two, how many halves in 2?
What, teacher?
How many halves in 2?
4.
So 4 halves. And we have another half here. So the total is how many halves? 4 plus 1. So 5 halves. Break the 5 halves into
Yeah.
3 fractions. Go ahead.
Okay, wait. 1.
One
No.
half. 1 half. You should say like this.
1 half.
Mm.
Okay.
And?
And 1 half. 1
Okay.
half.
And?
And 1 half.
Oh!
1 half.
My hero, now this is
What?
3 halves only.
Oh.
We need 5 halves. So these are 2. How many more do we need?
We need more. Think 1.
You are not thinking. It's 5. 5 equals 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is your answer, Maitham? You are joking?
No, no. 3. 3 halves.
3 halves. Okay, thank you. And please focus, my hero.
It's some hard.
Okay, Ahmed Fahd. Ahmed Dagheithar. Ahmed Dagheithar.
Yes, here, Mr.
Go ahead, Ahmed. 9/12. Decompose it.
To compose it,
Into 2 fractions.
2 fraction.
Yes, just break the 9 quickly.
أقسم 5
5/12 plus quickly, my hero.
12 is 5.
5 plus what equals 9? 5 plus 4.
9, 4,
Okay, now break it into 3 fractions.
and 3.
Okay, look with me, my hero. Ahmed, we need the denominator to be the same number, right? So it's all 12ths.
3. Down. And
Now break the 9 into 3 numbers. 3 parts. Use any numbers. 4 plus
5.
4 plus 5 is 9. So these are 2. You will write 0 in the next. If I write here 5, you will write 0 in the next one. So I cannot write 5.
3.
Okay, if I write 3, I should write in the third one 2. Now 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 9. Okay, thank you, Ahmed. Abdullah Mubarak. Abdullah Mubarak.
Mister, I not understand the.
This is Abdullah Mubarak. This is Abdullah Mubarak.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Abdullah, in this number, read this number, my hero.
Mister,
Read it, Abdullah.
wait, I sorry, but
Read the number.
1.
Yes,
1
and 1/3.
is-
Okay, the 1. How many thirds in whole 1? How many thirds in whole 1?
3.
3/3, of course. So I will write here 3/3 for this whole 1. Just I will write this third also here. Okay, any problems?
Okay.
Now, how many thirds do you have in all? 3/3 plus 1/3 equal how many thirds?
3/3 equal 1.
Plus 1, not equal 1. 3 plus 1?
10.
Oh, 3 plus 1.
3 plus 1 equal 4.
So we have 4/3. And we need to break it into 3 parts. And, okay, break the 4, just break the 4. Quickly.
2.
2/3, okay, plus
Plus what?
I want you to tell me plus what? You don't understand the question? My hero, we need to break the 4/3 into 3 fractions. So we can use here 2 also. But 2 plus 2 is 4. I will write 0 in the next one if I use 2. So I can use 1, for example.
1.
So 1/3.
1.
And 1 plus 2 is 3. So we need another 1/3. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. Now you understand it?
Yes.
Now you know how to solve it?
Yes.
Any problems? Any questions?
No.
Okay, my heroes, do you have any questions? Any problems?
Nope.
Okay, if you are writing, please write quickly, my heroes. And next, I will send to you the link of the game.